Hey everyone, want to permanently delete your Cloud AI account? In this video, I'll show you how to remove your account step by step. Yeah, before deleting your account, make sure you save any important files or information, because this process may remove your stored data permanently. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before starting the deletion process. Once you're signed in, open your profile menu and go to the Account Settings section. Look for options like Settings, Privacy, Security, or Account Management. This is where you can find account-related controls. Next, search for the option to delete or close your account. It may appear as Delete Account, Remove Account, Close Account, or a similar option depending on the platform settings. After selecting the Delete option, Cloud AI may show important information about what happens when you remove your account. Take a moment to review these details before continuing. If you decide to proceed, confirm your request by following the instructions provided. You may need to enter your password again, verify your email, or complete an additional security step. Once the deletion request is submitted, wait for the confirmation message. Some platforms may process account deletion immediately, while others may take some time to complete. Before finishing, make sure you have removed any active subscriptions or saved important files if needed. Checking these details first can help prevent losing anything important. And that's how you delete your Cloud AI account. If you are sure you no longer need the account, following these steps will help you complete the process safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.